Google's Veo 3 is one of the most advanced AI video generation models available today, capable of creating high-quality, realistic videos directly from text prompts. It's designed for professional and creative users who want cinematic quality visuals without traditional video production costs. The good news is, you don't have to pay to try Veo 3 right away, because there are several legitimate ways to access it for free. One of the best methods is through Google Cloud's free trial. When you sign up for Google Cloud, you receive $300 in free credits, which are valid for 90 days. These credits can be used in Vertex AI's Media Studio, where Veo 3 is available as a video generation model. In Media Studio, you can generate short video clips, typically limited to 8 seconds per prompt, although you can stitch multiple clips together to create longer videos. Another option is through Google's Gemini Pro free trials. Sometimes Google offers a free trial for Gemini Pro, either through promotions or bundled with new Pixel devices. These trials often include limited daily generations with Veo 3, giving you 3 free videos per day for a set period, usually around 30 days. Students can also benefit from free access. If you have a .edu email address, you may qualify for Google One's AI student plan. This plan sometimes includes fast mode access to Veo 3 for up to 15 months, allowing students to generate videos for projects, learning, or creative experimentation. Finally, keep an eye out for promotional events like Google I/O or product launches. During these events, Google often gives away free access to its newest AI tools, including Veo 3, to encourage more creators and developers to try them out. Using these official methods ensures your access to Veo 3 is safe, secure, and fully supported. It's important to avoid unofficial shortcuts or unauthorized accounts, which could compromise your privacy or violate Google's terms of service. Whether you're making cinematic scenes, marketing videos, social media content, or experimental art, Veo 3 offers powerful tools to bring your ideas to life. And thanks to these free options, you can explore what Veo 3 can do without spending a dime. So if you're curious about AI video generation, now is the perfect time to try Veo 3 for free and see just how far your creativity can go.